Tuesday, June 23rd, and Dad and Aiden have been out of town for a few days here, so it's just been quiet with me and the dogs. And as you can see, they're working on a big airboat in the shop right now. Outside is a little warm, lots of dandelion fluff flying around here. Or poplar, I mean. But they're working on this engine, this head here, and got everything else set out and cleaned up. So this is one of the things Dad does work on in the summertime, is airboats for one of our local customers. And so this came in damaged already this year, so we gotta get it out the door, out to these guys as quickly as possible for them, because they're gonna want to be able to use it. And so
what we're doing is cleaning up the block,
yeah,
the heads, the intakes, and all the bolts for putting it together.
okay. And so this is on hold for, well, at least the next couple of days until they get this airboat out of the shop. So bit of a break on the 1971 wide gauge. And it's sitting a little low right now. That's just because they don't have all the parts on there, but they're going to put it all back on. So the goal is to move this out of the shop once the airboat's out, and then they're going to keep on sanding and getting the rest of this job done. Because even though Dad's worked on this area here, it's areas like this that still need to be buffed out, and a lot of fixing in these little spots here. So there's big chunks still of damage that they need to grind out, because you can still kind of pull some of this off with your fingernails, and it's still chipping. You can't have it like that. So if you can see on top, got a lot of damage up there, and but progressing as much as we can on this. And we got the dash back in, they got the steering wheel installed. I don't know if Dad put in the guts yet for the power steering, but that's one of his signature things that he does. You're gonna have to haul these parts out of the shop at some point. Little dog was just absolutely beside herself.
We're waiting for the weather to straighten out so we can push it out and sand it.
Okay. But with Dad and the little dog being away, she was just beside herself. Couldn't wait to get to the shop here today. Outside dogs are very happy that everybody's back. Neighbors' dogs are here too. So all had breakfast, Dad just said. And so this is the diff. It still needs to get reinstalled, and this engine's going to go back in. It's not going to take much once these guys start going and getting a lot of this installed. It's kind of piling up here, but once we get that paint job done, then it'll be a bang 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 process of getting everything back installed, and you'll see how quickly it all gets done. I think the last big headache usually is just the wiring, but because everything's already ripped out, it'll be a little easier. We'll probably end up calling him Randy to give us a hand there and get that completed. In the meantime, Dad's still gonna keep on working on those airboats as they come in. And the customer has a few airboats, so I'm sure as soon as that one's out the door, another one will get delivered. But just a quick shop update here, what these guys are doing. Slow start of the day, and they're going to keep on doing what they're doing here. And so a big shout out to everybody that normally watches. Jeff Anderson, Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy, Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson, my Auntie Joyce, and then everybody else that comments. If you want a shout out, just comment below and let us know if you want us to do a shout out. Okay guys, you have a good day, okay? Okay.
I'm wearing it. He's wearing it.
Oh, okay. So every day, Nina Pinta Santa Maria sits out on the deck at night, barks at everybody walking past, all the big dogs. But got a little squirrel in the bird feeder right now. Not interested in the slightest. Not even paying attention to it. Not big enough for her to care.